All right, so here's a launch strategy for direct to consumer brands, specifically, Black Friday, Cyber Monday launch strategy. So, just to give some context into the purpose of all this, we want to maximize revenue, obviously, maximize sales. So here's a screenshot of one of our clients' accounts that we implemented this for. So this was them before implementing the strategy. They had, I believe, a separate, a different agency, or they were doing it in-house. I can't remember off the top of my head, but 11% of total revenue. This is for the month of November 2021. And then they signed us up. I believe it was like a week before the end of October. So we had, a few weeks to prepare for this. Otherwise, this number would have been a lot higher, but still, we increased their overall revenue, almost 10x'd it, just by implementing this strategy. So what did we do? So important sort of high level points is, number one, you need to be sending high campaign volume. All right. I see a few brands that only send like one or two campaigns for the entire Black Friday, Cyber Monday, which if you're doing that, you're leaving a ton of opportunity on the table. Number two is use different angles for each campaign. And this sort of nullifies the negative effects of, sending out high campaign volume. Like if you're sending high campaign volume, but it's like essentially just a clone of, you're sending the same email each time, then people are going to get annoyed and stop opening. So you need to be introducing novelty for each campaign. So mixing in different creatives and email formats, things like, alternating between GIFs and images, switching between branded versus plain text. Just try to keep things fresh on each subsequent campaign. And here's a list of different angles that you can use, and these are typically what we'll use. So number one is obviously the Black Friday sale announcement. Then you could do a sale reminder, see what's trending, which is basically just promoting some of the best sellers or one bestseller in particular. Customer reviews, customer user-generated content. Like for instance, if you're selling dog clothing, then you send an email promoting the products, but the angle is like, see what our customers sent us, or like see how our customers are using this product, basically, and social proof. This is their last holiday, basically just promoting any items that are going to be discontinued soon. Cyber Monday sale announcement. And I highly recommend using a new offer rather than the same offer, or an upgraded version of the Black Friday offer, because that's going to irritate some people. So for instance, if you run a 20% off sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or for Black Friday, and then for Cyber Monday, you run a 25% off, anybody who bought at the 20% off price point is going to be kind of annoyed by that. So you want to avoid that. Use a separate offer entirely. Cyber Monday sale reminder, basically just reminding them that a sale is going on. And then last chance, and you could even put a countdown timer here too. That tends to be pretty effective. Just remind them when the sale is ending. And I didn't write this, but you could also do a Cyber Monday, sale extended. I know that's it really depends on the brand, but I've seen that to work pretty well. So, and here's a screenshot of the campaigns for this particular account. As you can see right here, we sent a ton and generated a ton of revenue. So, just imagine if we only sent like one or two, like I see a lot of brands doing. You'd be leaving a ton of sales on the table. So send a ton of campaigns. So that's about it.